Military service provides both niche and sought-after career skills that translate seamlessly into the civilian sector. Here's a list of 5 career ideas tailored specifically for military veterans from the military financial professionals with AAFMAA Wealth Management Trust. First up, law enforcement. Your military training has equipped you with valuable skills such as leadership, discipline, and problem-solving abilities, all of which are highly sought after in law enforcement careers. From police officers to FBI special agents, a career in law enforcement will allow you to continue making a significant impact. Just remember to have a serious discussion with your spouse about the inherent risks. Next is the medical field. With experience in combat medicine or logistics, veterans often find success in roles such as paramedics, nurses, physician assistants, or healthcare administrators. Consider your family's desired lifestyle, as these jobs may provide the adrenaline rush you miss from your time in the military, but the work hours can be demanding. In today's digital age, cybersecurity has become increasingly vital. Veterans with backgrounds in IT, communications, or intelligence can excel in roles such as cybersecurity analysts, network administrators, or information security consultants. Your ability to think critically and adapt quickly to new technologies will be highly valued in this field. Don't forget to highlight your security clearance to potential employers. Transitioning into engineering is another viable option. Whether it's civil, mechanical, electrical, or software engineering, your technical expertise and problem-solving skills from the military will be assets in various engineering roles. Plus, if you want to retire near a military base, many engineering firms are located in those areas. Lastly, consider a career in education. Many veterans find fulfillment in passing on their knowledge and skills to the next generation. Your experience in leadership and mentorship can positively impact students of all ages. Keep in mind that if you don't hold a degree, the GI Bill allows you to train in your field of choice at little to no cost. At AAFMAA Wealth Management Trust, we specialize in serving the financial needs of veterans and military families. Reach out to us by calling 910-307-3500 or visiting afmatrust.com today.